1996 I started working here. It'll be 13 years in September. I started out in the plant as a shift QC, and we used to work swing turns, so I worked every shift, daylight, afternoon, midnight. Then I went to a steady shift on daylight as the head QC for that shift. Then I started training under our quality assurance manager at the time as assistant quality assurance manager, and then I went to quality assurance manager, and right when that job was starting to get a little too busy for me, being a single mom of 2 kids, the position back here opened up, and Sean, our chief financial officer, he asked me if I wanted the position. He thought it would be great for me, so I moved into this position, and that's where I'm at. Ever since day one when I started working here, I always told them, teach me whatever you can. I want to learn whatever I can. So I think that's probably what moved me up so quickly in the past 13 years, was because I was always willing to learn a little bit more. And I also had some help, because at the time I took over back here, we started to look into barcoding. So that sort of pushed the whole changeover of the warehouse, because once you barcode, you have to be able to use the scanners, you have to have everything organized, you have to be able to scan everything in the warehouse. So that sort of pushed the whole makeover of the warehouse. That's why we put down lines and separated everything and put aisleways for everything to get scanned. Inventory went from probably about a 16-hour 2-man job to about an hour and a half for 3 people just to scan in an hour and a half. We recently just got a new Wi-Fi scanner back here, and it makes everything real time, and it saves a lot of time for our job back here. There's a lot of vision systems that detect bad parts 100%, so we're pleasing the customer with all the new technology, and that's the goal. Some days are stressful, just like any job, but I like the people I work with, I like the people I work for, so it makes it even better to come to work every day. Go in it with an open mind, learn as much as you can, because you never know where you can go with it. I didn't think I'd be running a warehouse, and here I am running a warehouse. So just take in all you can, learn everything you can. I've been here for 13 years, and I've seen other people move in their positions and grow with the company, and so there's always room for you to move as long as you put forth the initiative and learn what you can.